back again with another case video for the Pixel 8 Pro, and this is a brand new brand that I have not worked with yet. So let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are, and I have the everyday case from the guys at Peak Design, and they have sent me across a selection of colors. So been looking at Peak Design for quite a while now. I really like their accessories and their cases and all that kind of thing, and I've been really looking forward to getting my hands on this stuff. So when they reached out to me and were like, listen, we want to send you some cases, I was like, yeah, let's do it. So let's check these out. So I have a few colors here, and from what I can't see any. Nope, they are. The colors are on the boxes. So we have the Redwood and the Midnight and the Sun. Yellow like the sun. Let's just get a wee look at these. So there is they also do a charcoal and a sage. So the charcoal is like a dark gray / black, and the sage is like a sage green. You know yourself. But these options now are very, very nice. And straight off the bat, I really like the look of that Midnight. That's very, very nice. It's kind of like a blue, it's like a denim. You know what I mean? It's like a pair of jeans for your phone. And what's in the box? So we have connect your phone to your life. So this here will just give you an indication of the accessories that these guys do. So they do wallets and they do accessories, bike mounts, car mounts, that kind of thing. So yeah, their stuff has always been really, really cool. And I'm really excited to have them on the channel. And look, lifetime warranty on your product. Register your product, you get a lifetime warranty, which is pretty sweet. Oh, and we've got a Peak Design sticker. Alright. Who doesn't have stickers? So, there we are. Now, I'm going to be straight up. The yellow is quite nice. Although I'm not quite sure about the darker mustardy color, but yeah, it's alright. Got a wee bit of Peak Design branding here, and then we've got the Peak Design mechanism, let's call it, which is their signature, which is really cool. Metal buttons as well, which is a nice touch. And of course, if you can't already see it vaguely in the material here, it is a Magsafe compatible case. Big tick, big tick. So there we are. Magsafe cases, Magsafe all the things. So mobile by Peak Design, designed in San Francisco, made in China. Like everything. So first things first, let's weigh these cases. 51 grams. 52 grams. 51 grams. There we go. So in around 52 grams. Here I have my Obsidian Pixel 8 Pro. I'm going to go for the Midnight. Midnight is my bag. Tight fit. And there we go. What do you guys think of that? That's a very, very nice case. I will say now, I do like that. So what we have the Peak Design branding on the bumper here. And then we have our Peak Design mechanism, which is their trademark. And then we have our metal buttons here on the side as well. Very clicky and responsive. Very tactile clicky buttons. And then below we have our USB-C and our speaker cutouts. We also, you can see here, there's these solid plastic bits here. They can be used for lanyards if you're into lanyards. And we have then a microphone gap in the top then as well. Very, very nice case. So this is like a fabric case, and I'm going to be honest, I'm not mad at it. It's very, very nice. It's definitely a better quality fabric than, say, Apple's fine woven case, which is dreadful. Awful. But this feels a lot more premium than the likes of that, so I'm glad to see it here. So this bumper then is like a silicone bumper, and it's quite grippy as well. So rest assured, if you've got that in your hand, you're going to have a good hold of your phone. And I do like the feel of that. It is very, very nice. So fitment test then. So we'll just do the twist it at the corners, and yeah, there's no movement there whatsoever. As you can see, these are quite a rigid case, so there's not going to be much flex in it, so you're not going to have that pop out or anything like that. So that's the fitment is very, very good. Screen lip then, Pixel 8 Pro has a flat display this year. Happy days. So we do have better screen protection down the sides of the case. Also, it's slightly raised here at the corners, so it'll give you that extra bit of lift. So when you set that down flat, it's not going to touch, the screen's not going to touch that surface. You're going to be protected, which is not bad. Now, the camera bar, you can see there is very, very ever so slightly raised up over the camera bar. Now, what I would have liked to have seen with this, I would have liked to have seen the plastic mold come up over this curved part, just to give an extra bit of protection to raise that up. It's not a deal breaker, but there's a minimal amount of protection there on the camera bar. So, you know, if you set that down flat, you're going to get the minimal amount. And if you were to drop it, I can't say you're not going to mark up that camera bar. So I would have liked to have seen maybe just a little bit more of a protection raised up over that camera bar, just to protect that lens. Nothing that, you know, you can get the likes of skins and that kind of thing from the likes of D-Brand or Extreme Skins or that kind of thing, which can protect that bar, but yeah, I would have liked to just have seen that a little bit more raised up, to be honest, but it is what it is. But I do like the feel of the case. You know, the feel of the fabric is, you know, it's got like a rough texture. It doesn't feel sort of microfibery, if that makes sense, but it does feel like a good, decent case, and the bumpers on the side are really great. If I were to compare this case to any other case, I would say if you've ever experienced any of the Nomad cases, the silicone bumper here is very, very similar to it, and it's quite nice. It's a really, really good feel to it. And of course, this is a Magsafe compatible case, so as well as having the Peak Design mount here in the middle, we also do have Magsafe as well, and we also do have the circular ring, but we also have the guidance magnets there as well, so we've got that extra bit of magnetic strength, which is really, really good. And the same goes for the other two as well. You can see there, very, very good. So we can do a Magsafe test. So here we are, trusty Magsafe mount. So I'm intrigued to see, I've never experienced a Peak Design case before, so I'm very, very intrigued to see what these magnets are like. So fingers crossed that they're good, because if they're not, I'll be very disappointed. So let's check it out. Whoa, holy crap. Yeah, holy damn. Do you hear that? Listen to that whack on. Oh. Jeepers, oh. Look, I'm not even going to put my hand out. That's how confident I am. Look at this. Well, top marks. Top marks for that. That is fantastic. And you know what? This is what I like to see. I like to see options in cases. So the fact that you could go out and buy some Peak Design accessories, like their own mounts and things got there. But if you are like me, and if you dual wield an iPhone, it's nice to have options, you know? So if I have a Magsafe mount in my car or a Magsafe charger by my bed, it's nice to know that I can just come in and go, right, there's my iPhone on my charger, and now I can just pop my Android phone onto my charger and job done. It's great. It's great to have options, and yeah, I really like that. That is really, really good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And for completeness, I will just pop the other colors on. So that one is the Midnight, and then this one is the Redwood. So this is like it's like a reddish, maroonish, brownish kind of color. I'll be 100% honest, not my cup of tea. I I'm very much a black, grey, blue type of guy. But yeah, just for completeness, we'll just... Oh my rip. That's so good. Friggin' heck. That's some good MagSafe. Do you know what? I think I'm going to go out on a limb and say, like, I've tested a lot of cases for the iPhone and for the Pixel and for the Samsung, and I'll be straight up, I think that's one of the strongest magnets I've tried in a case, regardless of whether it's an iPhone or whatever. Like, those are really good. And there's the Sun version, so that is the yellow. And then you've got like this darker sort of colored bumper, it's more like a mustard, you know. And then we have our metal buttons there as well, which are very, very nice. They're very, very well made, very good. So yeah, that's the yellow. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of these color options? And what do you think of this case? Personally, for me, I would give this case a solid 9 out of 10. The only thing that lets it down for me is the camera bar protection, and that's just a me thing, you know. I just sometimes when I look at the Pixel camera bar, I think I really, really like it, and then there's other times I look at it and think, do you know what, that camera bar is just too awkward, and it's just begging to be damaged, you know, when you look at it, that metal getting scuffed up and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's my only complaint I would have. I would like to see this protection come up over this so that it raises up over the camera bar to try and give a bit more protection. But other than that, it's a real good case. I would give it a solid 9 out of 10. I really would. Fantastic. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Have you got a Pixel 8 Pro? Have you got any of these cases? If you have, what do you think of them? Let me know in the comments down below. And if not, are you considering picking this up? If you are, let me know down below, and what color is your favorite out of these ones. As always, I will leave you a link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up any of these cases using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. So that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more Pixel 8 Pro content coming. I will have camera comparisons, I'll have more cases and accessories and that kind of thing coming, so stay tuned for that stuff coming. And if you want to see some more down there tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.